Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be unboxing two pop-in boxes, and I have the month of June and the month of July. I've been so behind on filming that I just decided to put them both together, and I still have the August one sitting right there. So that will be a separate video because I got to deal with some stuff in that. I have two pops here, and again, I will quickly just go over this subscription service. It is a monthly subscription service. They give you 1 pop, 2 pops, 3 pops, 6 pops, or 12 pops, I'm pretty sure. And they range between $14.95 up to, oh god, I don't even know. We probably should have looked at that before I started filming this. I'll put it here on the screen. But I do just do the 1 pop a month for right now, and I've honestly really been liking it. I've gotten Wreck-It Ralph stuff, and I think that's it for right now. Yeah, I think I got Wreck-It Ralph stuff. And pretty much what you do is you go through the entire website, and they have over 7,000 pops, and you thumbs up or you thumbs down pops. All the ones that you thumbs up now get generated into a cart, and then they will pick what ones they have there to be able to send to you, and all the ones that you thumbs down get blacklisted, and they will not touch them, they will not send you. So far I have been great. I haven't gotten any pops that I didn't want, which is really amazing. And now I have 2 more that I get to open, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna start with the June box. I have crossed out my address and what is on side. I do have to say the label does tell you what is inside the box. So I gave this to my mom. She crossed everything out, so I don't know what's in here. So I have already cut the tape on this one, but I'll just make sure. Yeah. I'll just make sure, and I will quickly close my eyes. What do we got? What do we got? I'm so excited. Ooh, I have another Ralph one. So I have Fix It Felix, which is really awesome. This is the other one that I wanted to complete my little collection. This is really cool. He looks so awesome in his little belt with his hammer and his little hat. Sorry if you hear my child and my dog running around right now. It's ridiculous. So this is what he looks like. The box is pretty much in mint condition, I would say, and this is honestly amazing. I do now have Vanellope, yes, Fix It Felix. I don't think I have Ralph. And I do have Taffeta, which is awesome. So Ralph is pretty much the only one that I have left that I wanted. So I will quickly show you guys the box. So again, I have Vanellope, yes, Taffeta, Fix It Felix, and now all I want is Wreck-It Ralph, and my collection will be complete. So my June one is honestly amazing. I did thumbs up this, which is great. So I can now put this guy on my little shelf. That's really awesome. So next one, I have not cut the tape for. So let's just do this quickly. There we go. And again, each of these are $14.95 a month. I'm pretty sure that is including shipping. So maybe it's like $12.99 plus $2.99 shipping or something. I'm not too sure. Again, I will leave it linked here. I will also leave a link in the description box below if you guys wanted to sign up. That also will save you some money off your first subscription, which is really great. And I think I might up this one day to like a 2 or 3 pop, but we'll see how it goes. So far I've been really enjoying this company. So now we have July. You guys get to look first. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh my god, please tell me. I'm so excited. Okay. Yes! Oh my god, this is the Lilo and Stitch Superhero one, and this is a Pop in a Box exclusive. Guys, I got an exclusive. This is so cool. Oh my god, I really want all of these. Lilo, Scrump, Stitch, and then 626. Oh my god, this is honestly amazing. This is so freaking cute. Look at it. Oh my god. And again, the box is pretty much, there's a little, oh no, I don't think so. Yeah, there's a little dent right here, but I just collect them in their box and they sit up on a shelf, so to me it is totally okay. Honestly, this is amazing. I will give you a quick little close-up. I really want 626 and Lilo. Scrump's freaking cute too, so I could totally have them all. So these were the 2 pops that I got for June and July. I know I'm a little bit behind, but honestly, this is so cool. I got an exclusive, which is awesome. Again, I only pay $14.95 a month, and it does come straight to your door. In the description box below, there will be a link if you guys wanted to sign up. It will save you guys some money, which is awesome. And if you guys like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And also, if you guys want me to upgrade 2 pops a month or 3 pops, then just let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!